Good morning, everyone. Today is the 2nd of September. So yesterday was Labor Day, bank holiday in the US, and short day for trading. Now, what do we see here on the price chart on the Nasdaq on the 4-hour? We see that, let's actually look at the weekly. We are still bullish, although we have this high formed here. And on the weekly, as I was telling you last week, we have this range that actually corresponds to the 4-hour. On the weekly, of course, this is my range. This is the range. However, this doesn't help us in any way. We know that we are in premium and bullish. We don't see a change in the state of delivery for the weekly chart. But if I go here and then, yeah, let's go to the 4-hour. This is actually my 4-hour range. And inside this 4-hour range, what do I see? I see that I have weak lows on both sides. Now, with that in mind, I can actually draw this range. And what happens here? We are at equilibrium inside this range. So now, before I have a clear direction for the market, I would want either of the highs or lows here to be engaged with by the price. Now let me remove this. And I know that I have drawn liquidity on both sides. With that in mind, I'm looking at this specific range. Now liquidity has been taken here. Right. And price went down into discount. We have this breaker block here into this imbalance. So pretty much a unicorn model, right? Price did not react accordingly to it. It actually did here, right? So this was the leg formed from this unicorn. Now it's coming back into it, doesn't hold price, and in my opinion, it's going lower. And that's if this is happening, if taking the equal lows here, we will need to see if this unicorn fails, if this breaker block fails, we will see lower prices. Lower prices into the equal lows here, the relative equal lows, and actually all the way down, in my opinion, like so. That's one outlook. That's one possibility. Now, if this breaker holds, I can imagine that we will get a jab underneath it, and price comes up, takes the equal highs here, comes into this imbalance, inverting it, and then all the way up. That's possibility number 2. Now, as I said, we are inside this range. We have weak lows and weak highs. Everything is possible. No clear direction for now. So let's wait and react to what price is telling us. That's it for today. trade safe and take care.